Love at Paul's Boutique here with another unboxing. So I just got home. My mom is up from Florida. We've been running around all day and I came home to a giant box on the porch, and this is an unboxing I wanted to do right away because it's one that you all helped me pick which color combo to get. So many pairs of boots. I love it. So I'm going to just pull out a size 8 here. So here we have the box and we're looking at a size 8. Oh, these are so cute. Here we go. So you have the sides of the bow on the sides, and then when you're wearing it, you have the full bow down the front. So these are a pull-on boot, so no zipper, but they do look like they have a bit of room. So I'll go ahead and try on my usual size 9 and let you know kind of how it fits as far as normal sizing. I do tend to have a little bit of a wide calf, but sometimes a wide calf boot is too big. So I'll let you know how that fits in. Watch out, guys. All right, so I just rolled my jean up just to give you an idea of how it fit. So for me, like I said, a wide calf boot is too big for me. These just fit. There's very little room. So pulling on, it fits, but I would not be able to wear them over jeans actually right now. All right, so just wanted to also add the sizes that these boots will come in. So as far as the fit of my foot itself was true to size. It seemed to fit a 9, which is my usual size. Again, the calf, you know, depending on how your calves fit in boots that are pull-on, you can come in, try them on, decide. But for this size range of boots, they come in 5.5, 6, 6.5, 2 7s, 7.5, actually 2 7.5s, 2 8s, an 8.5, a 9, and a 10. So there are only a couple sizes where I have more than one of each, but most sizes you're gonna have only one of each. So it will be, first come, first serve, and if it goes over well, maybe I'll look at ordering another color combination of it. So let me know what you think.